Well, good afternoon, YouTube. You join me on a lovely day, still a little bit cold, and you join me for a very short ride because I've got to go to the doctors. I've been called in for my COVID-19 jab, as I'm a carer, a registered carer for a clinically vulnerable patient. Now, that person's had their jab about a month ago, so now it's my turn. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. Now, it's been about 4 weeks since I've been out on this. Last time was, I think it was the 7th of January. So when I tried to get the bike out earlier on, the front wheel was a little bit seized up from the brakes. So I reckon if this ride hasn't freed up the brakes, the front brakes, by the time I get back, then I'm gonna have to take the brakes apart to clean the caliper sliders, which I think is just that. So, as I said, it's a very short ride. It's about 1.5 miles to my doctor's. And then another 1.5 miles ride back. So, it doesn't look good for the Piggy Riders Scotland tour. It's supposed to be happening on the 30th of April. They're looking into whether they can push the dates back a bit further. We're still waiting to hear on that. And Craig from Motor Rev is having to move the Ellen Valley tour dates once again. As it was supposed to start on the 14th of May. But in England, I believe it's not until the 17th of May that groups of more than 30 people can get together. That's if all of these stages take place. But, as we know, the Welsh government like to do things differently, the same as Scotland. So, we're going to have to wait and see what happens in regard to that. So here I am at my doctor's, so I'll catch you when I'm on my way back out again. Right then, welcome back. That is me done. I've had me 15-minute wait from having a jab before moving off. So, unfortunately, let's go straight home. Yeah, so I had the COVID-19 jab, didn't feel a thing, and I mean I absolutely didn't feel the needle going in, which is always good. So hopefully in 11 weeks time or so I'll get a phone call to come back for my second injection. Hey, well, that sun's a little bit bright. I know it's nice to have bright sun, but it's also a little bit blinding at the moment. Anyway, hopefully Mr. Ray Jones is going to come help me out with testing something, so a type of two-way bike-to-bike communication. This is going to be a backup to the normal Cardo packed up bolts, i.e. so if you're ever out with somebody and they get a bit too far ahead, you should still have comms with them, because hopefully the range is going to be about 3 to 6 miles, somewhere like that. And the other added bonus is when the Cardo intercoms decide they want to be difficult and stop working, like we've seen happen plenty of times on Griffin Jones Touring. Hopefully this will negate that and give people that want reliable comms all the time an extra choice. And hopefully soon as well I can get back to my advanced rider training, because at the moment, because of the lockdown and all the restrictions, all that type of training's been cancelled. Now I had got up to week 4 and that was about it. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye because I'm more or less at home now, and hope you all stay safe and you get out and enjoy your bikes at some time.